Are you ready to take the first step in safer travel? Coming up. Maybe you're an experienced traveler, or maybe this is your first time taking a major trip. I've come across a program that will help you stay connected, safe, and inform the U.S. government that you are traveling so they can get in touch with you if need be. Welcome to my channel. This is the Traveling Cheesehead and I am Michelle. On this channel, we cover everything travel related, travel vlogs, reviews, and recommendations to destinations around the world. And today I'm going to give you some practical information about the U.S. State Department STEP program. What is the STEP program? Great question. The STEP program is the Safe Traveler Enrollment Program. So why should you consider using the STEP program and registering with it? Its purpose is to have travelers register with the State Department so that the embassy in the countries or locations that you are visiting have a way to get a hold of you in case of an emergency, whether that be a natural disaster. If you're traveling in the Caribbean and there's a hurricane, they can reach you. If you are traveling to a country and there happens to be some civil unrest that happens, they can reach you. It is just a way to let them know that here's where you're going, here's where you're going to be, and they alert the embassy that there are U.S. citizens traveling in that area so that if there's an emergency, it makes it easier for them to find you and connect with you to get you home safe. It also allows your family and relatives to get a hold of you in the case of an emergency. So if you are traveling, it helps them reach out to you and get in touch with you through the State Department. So if you have children at home and you are abroad and something happens, your family can find you through the U.S. Embassy and through the State Department to get you that emergency message that you need. All right, so how to sign up for the STEP? Well, first of all, it is completely free. You're gonna go to the website, which is step.state.gov. It's completely free to sign up. You're gonna register and put your information in, your contact information, even emergency contacts, as well as registering any trips that you have coming up. So once you've registered, what is the next step? When you're about to go on a trip, what are the practical steps that you need to take to make this free service worthwhile for you? You will sign into your account because you will receive sign-in documentation once you've signed up, and then you will register your trip. You will put in what countries you plan on passing through or visiting. So if you are flying into certain airports and you have a connection, you would put those international airports in there as well. And then you would put the dates that you will be there. Now you can use this for domestic travel as well, but it's really intended for international travel. So I recommend doing it. We do it every time we travel. Thank God we've never needed the emergency evacuation things that come along with it. But we do get notifications periodically when the government has issued travel warnings for different areas. For instance, when COVID started, we got notifications that nowhere in the world was safe to travel. But we've also had other notifications when there's been hurricanes and things like that saying don't go to this country, don't go to this area because of XYZ happening. You get those notifications periodically as things arise, and that way you can plan better where is a safe place for you to go explore during the time that you're looking to be there. I will put the links below for all the websites and everything that I covered. I'll even detail the steps needed to sign up. It's very straightforward, very easy. I recommend you do it. It only takes a couple minutes and you'll feel safer when you travel next. I'll have more travel related videos coming out that'll help you travel internationally, whether it's your first time or you've been there a million times, coming up in future videos. If you got value today, give me that thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell because I come out with new videos every single week and you don't want to miss a thing. Thank you for watching the Traveling Cheesehead. Until next time, travel safe.